So this is going to be a battery box. This pile of metal. Thanks to some super nice people. Because I'm cheap. Yes, I could buy one. Matt, how much are battery boxes? $100 maybe? I'm pretty sure I've seen them for like $100 or $150 on Summit. Yeah, I'm gonna make one. Where does it cut at?
Right back there.
Oh, okay. So you gotta line that markup. Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That'll take a finger off easily. That's awesome. This thing is huge, man. How often do you guys have to use this?
I'd say probably 3 or 4 times a week.
Wow. That's crazy. Okay, so our battery box is going to be 30 inches long, right? So this is 30 inches there to there?
30
is that what it is?
This way.
30 this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need it 30
by 14. Is that really? That's 30 inches? Holy hell. Okay. So then 14 from here to here. So it'll just need to be like wherever 14 gets us. This is going to be so awesome. So this will be the piece we keep then. That'll be 30 by 14 this way?
Yep.
Okay.
And there's enough there, we'll cut a couple in case.
My man. Yeah, if it was me, I'd probably break it up wrong. Golly. So we'll have enough for basically 2.
Almost 3.
Almost 3. Well, this other little piece, that was, well, how many inches is that? We could probably use that for the 10 by 10 little squares, huh?
It's what, a foot? It's 14, 26, yeah. So 12 inches.
So we'll be able to use our, awesome.
Yep.
Get everything out of that one piece. Yeah, so 10 by 10. So you're just gonna chop that.
2 inches off that, and then just cut. Yeah.
This is gonna be so awesome. I love giant pieces of machinery. If you can't tell, I'm kind of geeking out a little bit. That should be, isn't that 30 inches or is that 14? 30?
30. So
okay.
it should be 3 pieces.
Okay. So we'll have a spare one.
Yes.
Dang. All right. So there's our 10 by 10s.
Really doing the lid.
That's definitely not to scale.
well, if we do the lid doing that, because we don't have the finger brake, so really I can only do 2 sides.
Oh, I gotcha. So really what we'd have to do is do like a 14 or like a 16 by 10 and then just cut like a 1-inch piece by 10 to weld on the sides, basically. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so if we do 14 or 16 by 10, how wide is this guy? I suppose we'll have to cut this off.
Yeah, we'll cut that. 18.
Yeah, so if you just do...
So I'll cut a 16, cut that off. Or 14.
Yeah, that'll cut off.
That'll work.
And then we'll just give it an inch play for bending the... It's going to work out lovely. So these come down to hold the metal, right?
Yeah,
is that
keep
those?
it from moving around.
So those hold it, and then the actual shear comes down. Oh, I see it.
You can see part of it down there.
Nice. So 12. Spare one. Oh, okay. So from that angle, I could see the scissor come down. That's so cool. Love it. So these will be the little end pieces on the lid, right?
Yep.
A couple of spares. No, so I'm laughing because I always do that. Like I always plan for. Okay, I'll mess a couple up, so I need an extra just in case.
Or start doing it and realize, hey, there's a much better way to do this.
Yeah. I'm laughing because I'm glad I'm not the only one who does that. Some of those we'll just have to cut a little bit off of them.
Yep.
Cool. That's awesome how it, the edges aren't terribly sharp. I mean, it just, yeah, that's friggin' awesome. To have one of these at home, would that be cool?
It would be nice.
Can you stack them and cut them all at the same time, or do you have to?
You can, but a couple of them are going to get a bad edge.
Ah, okay.
I'd probably roll one of them.
It's easier to just.
Yeah.
Gotcha. What's up with this? Somebody put their 2 cents in, or?
Yeah. The old guy that used to work on here was from Vietnam. It was something that they did. Just never took it off.
That's awesome. If I had it with me, I'd put my 2 cents in too. Yeah, so we need 10 actually. Should be 10, 10, and 10.
10.
So yeah, we need
Right.
a 90 at 10 and then another one at 10. I don't think 10 plus 10 is 20, Matt. Do you have to measure, like, is there a stop on it, or how do you,
Nope.
so do you have to measure on both? So do you have to measure like on both sides so you can line up the dots, I guess is what I'm getting at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah, I probably should, because I'll screw this up.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Like, I know that if I didn't do it that way, I'd mess it up. Can you even see that? Oh yeah, there's a little dot. So you put it on both sides, then we can just line that up with. And do you line that mark up directly with the edge of the brake, or how, is that the best way to do it?
Yeah, you line it up with the top part of the frame here, because that's where it's actually going to bend it.
Oh, okay. So right like that ish,
Yeah.
obviously.
Go back a little bit.
Which side? Good, bad, indifferent?
Okay, can you set it a little bit?
Yeah, here, let me just let go of that. I'll hold this side, you do that side.
There we go.
Yeah, that's good. It's my first time breaking metal on a brake. Isn't that sad? You know what I did at home? Okay, you're gonna laugh at this. Okay, so I built a brake out of 2x4s.
It works.
So I used 2x4s and then door hinges. Wow. That was like butter, man. My 2x4 brake didn't work quite like that. Do you want me to pull the handle down?
Sure.
Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Oh! Gotta... Wow. That's impressive. I just like... That bends it so easy. I suppose it's meant for bending stuff a lot thicker than that. So this is just like... Wow. Look at that.
In there. Make that work.
That's awesome.
Half your box.
Dude, I'm so excited about that. That was so easy. Dang. So then these will be our sides. Yeah, look at that. Sweet.
Get those tacked in place and all that. Be nice.
Yeah, that's gonna be a really big battery box. It would work a lot better if I didn't put like, you know, that hold down that I've got inside of it. Oh well. I'm excited about it. That's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, so then this is 14 wide, so this will just overlap a little bit. We probably should have given a little bit of extra on the sides. No, I guess we can just put so these little pieces, we can just put those here. That'll be enough. That'll be a nice snug fit, a little go on there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Load it across the
Love it
top
like
and
that
then
instead of down like that.
grind it off, make it look pretty.
Nah, you don't have to make it look pretty. It's a freaking race car, man. I don't care about that. Not a show car. Okay, so if this is 10 across the top, what do we want to do? Like give it like an 1/8 of an inch? I don't know what would be best on this.
Because you want to make the top works removable, right?
Yeah, like I want it to just like slide over the top. What are we at? Like 12?
So we can
exactly.
do an inch.
Yeah, but is that... Well, so that's going to be... Okay, so this will fold in, right? So that we'll fold it there and then here, or bend it there and there?
Yeah. So you have an inch on either side.
It's 10. Well, my concern is that if we do a full inch, because we're shorter than 12, is it going to be too small to fit over the top of the box? See what I'm saying? Because
It'll be pretty close.
We need it to be 10 inches. So like if we go like an 1/8 of an inch on either side of 10 inches, so like if we were to go kind of like that and find our 10 inches, and then go an 1/8 inch on that side and 1/8 inch on that side.
Right.
So let's try it this way. So if it's like 11 7/8 or 11 and 15 16ths. So if we just do like 3/4 on each side, that'll give us a little play. You probably want to do 7/8 instead of 3/4 though.
Yeah.
So
we can do that.
If we just do 7/8, break it at 7/8 and then 7/8, we'll have a little bit of play, so the lid's not going to be as tight.
Right.
That's what I want to do. That way it's not such a... Yeah, we're going to be very precise here.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Just send it. Yeah. Close enough for me. That's good. So we did 7/8 there. It'll give us a little bit of play. So there's not like a stop or anything, like you just have to stop at about 90.
Yeah, because if you go all the way up, it's 45 degrees.
Oh. Gotcha. That's awesome. I've always wanted to do stuff like this. You're making my dreams come true, man.
Well, I'm glad I can do that.
The only sad part is you're doing it, not me. Look at that. Have you seen some of those homemade benders that people have made, or brakes that people have made, like just with angle iron? I thought about doing that, but... Alright, so after all the work, after the welding, there's our battery box. So this end will go back up against the inside back of the car. So we'll go right up here, and then the lid will kind of slide on from this way. Alright, so something like that is what I'm hoping, and it's gonna have to I'm gonna have to clean on a little bit of goober that I've got. So right down in there's some of this sealant that they put when they put the body panels together. So I'll have to get that out, and then it'll fit flush right up against there like that. And I'll have to make sure that I've got enough clearance around my battery disconnect. Probably just gonna have to turn it a little bit, which is no big deal. Alright, so I got the battery box here. I've got the hole down inside of it. And now we're just gonna tighten it up. Alright, so the battery box is in. It is not the most beautiful thing in the world, but it was free 99. So this is still my switch to interrupt ground, and on the outside it is still my switch to turn off the main battery disconnect there. So I've still got all the functionality I did before, but now this is a battery box that's sealed from the driver's compartment, so it's NHRA legal, and we'll be good to go now. So. Cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.